Y'all, like, I just took my hair out the towel and look at how my hair look. What the Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be trying products by the brand TGIN. I'm so excited to finally get my hands on these products. I have been seeing videos all over YouTube as well as Instagram of everybody trying these products and getting these amazing results. So I could not wait to try this brand. So I actually got a deal, well, not all of them, some of them, because one of them I had to order online. I went to 3 different Targets and all of them I went to really didn't have anything left. So the first product that I grabbed was the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. Now this product says that it's gentle moisturizing shampoo for all hair types. It also states that it has no sulfates, parabens, you know, none of that nasty stuff. So this is very true. I actually just finished shampooing my hair in the shower. My hair did not feel stripped of its moisture at all. I actually applied this shampoo all the way from root to tip and it lathered up. Like, a shampoo that lathers up is everything to me. This is very true. It does moisturize your hair. It does not strip your hair of any moisture. It just doesn't, okay? Take my word for it. So in combination with the shampoo, I did purchase the Honey Miracle Hair Mask by TGIN, and it says this is an intense, deep, penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. And again, it states about no parabens, none of the nasty stuff that we don't want. And this is this product right here, y'all, let me tell y'all, after I shampooed my hair, I rinsed the shampoo out and I went straight into the hair mask. Like, girl, where I've been sleeping on. This hair mask I actually applied to my hair. I did section my hair off into 4 sections and I applied this mask to my hair from root to tip. I let it sit for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes and then I just like dipped my hair under the water and then raked it in with my hands, and it gave my hair so much slip. I actually was able to detangle my hair all the way from my roots all the way down to the ends. Like, this product is the ish, you hear me? I did end up putting a cap on my hair and leaving the product in my hair for maybe 20 to 30 minutes while I played around in the shower and did my thing. So yeah, I absolutely love this product. I will be repurchasing this. It gave me so much slip, it's bomb. The next product that I purchased was the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. Now this is with green tea. This is a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner for all hair types. Now this is currently what I have in my hair at the moment. I applied all these products that I've showed you all, and this is where we at. Well, it is lightweight and it's very moisturizing. Like, it felt absolutely good. Now this video is not sponsored, but I love the products that I have tried so far. And I mean, just look at my hair. It's not even dry yet. I actually, like I said, just got out the shower and this is what I'm looking like. I'm really debating whether or not I even want to add any more products to my hair. So like I said, I had to order one of the products online because my Target didn't have it. So I did not get the BOGO deal with this product, but this is the TGIN Curl Balm, and this is a moisturizing styler. Hold on. Okay, so this is the TGIN Curl Balm Moisturizing Styler Gel, and it looks like that. So y'all know I had to get me a gel. I just really love applying gels to my hair because it gives me the extra hold. And of course, the best part is that it has a pump. Like, so I purchased this gel. This is a soft holding gel that gives curls definition without any crunch, which is fine with me. But I just like it for that little extra hold that can get me maybe through the 4th or 5th day if I don't feel like doing my hair right away. But I'm like debating whether or not I even want to add it to my hair. Like, just with the leave-in conditioner itself, it looks really, really good. What you guys think? All right, well, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel because I have it. Like, you know, I went through all the struggles of ordering it online, waiting for it to come. So I had to prolong this video. Let's just go ahead and use it. I don't even want to mess with my hair though. I don't even want to mess with it. All right, let's just do it. Okay, so I separated my hair off into 4 sections, and I'm actually going to divide those sections into subsections. Just like that. So I'm not going to take a lot of this gel. I'm just going to try 1 pump. Pump is not working. Damn, my pump not even working. Is this a sign? Is it trying to tell me? All right, so I'm just going to try to get a small amount out of here. I don't want a lot. All right, so I got that much in my hand. I'm just going to apply it to this section right here. And I'm not going to really disturb my curls. I'm just going to like lay it on top. My hair is still really damp, so I don't need to wet it at all. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to apply it to my hair using the praying hands method. Hopefully, you know, it don't mess up these beautiful curls that I see already. Okay.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter.
So now that I'm finished applying the Curl Balm Moisturizing Style Gel, I decided to actually use my hair dryer. If you all have not seen my unboxing, that should be up before this video. Yeah, that should be up. So if you have not seen it, I will have that linked in the cards above, so make sure you check it out. So I'm actually going to plug this up and record it while I'm editing this video. Like, look at that, multitasking, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for a while. You all will not believe that it is 2:24 in the morning. So I cannot go to bed with my head soaking wet like this. So I'm gonna sit underneath of there for at least the next 30 minutes. I will see you all tomorrow. Oh, and before I go, check this out. It works. I got my pump to work, so I'm so excited about that. And here is the final result. I like it. It's really soft and fluffy. Oh, and ignore this little curl right here that actually got caught on my bra strap when I was putting my clothes on, so TMI. So let me throw a few factors your way. First, actually 12 o'clock midnight the next day, okay? I just came from a party. It was really humid in there, so keep that in mind. Second thing is I did not air dry my hair how I normally do it. I actually decided to use this new hair dryer that I purchased off of Amazon. Okay, you know what, y'all just gonna have to watch the unboxing video. It'll be up next, so just make sure you watch that. I did decide to use a hair dryer, which I normally don't do. I always try to air dry my hair for the most part. The last factor is when I went to cut my tub water on, somebody didn't close the shower, so water came shooting out the shower all over my head. So that's probably why it's a little frizzy right here, but I still love it. I really like how soft it is. I'm definitely going to be wearing it like this. I don't always go for that defined look. I like the soft look. I like it. It's nice and fluffy. Comment below if you have tried any products by TGIN and what is your favorite. And again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.